sobrang excited. I'm so excited na finally makaka-compete na sa international matches. So, sana lahat excited din for me. We have gym every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Tapos meron Mandarin class, basic lang, and Japanese class, and Spanish, and personality development, one-on-one training for speech, and yun, marami actually. Meron mga PT, iba-iba. So, talagang, kung bibilangin mo lahat, hindi ko na ma-imagine kung gano'n yung preparation namin. Hindi masyadong pabigat yung pressure na napipili ko. Kasi parang iniisip ko lang na iba naman sila. So, iba naman yung competition na pupuntahan ko din. And siguro I will just try my best. Yun, inspired ako actually sa kanila na they made it to Miss Universe. Sana ako din gano'n. So, in Miss International. So, I'm just praying. And nagsisik ng advice from them na sana very happy that yung maraming nagkukwento sa akin na magaganda daw yung reviews, and I'm very happy that they believe in me, and yung support talaga kahit hindi ko man sa talagang sobrang